Disaster struck in one rural St. Anne community early Sunday, claiming the life of a chef from the parish. Kevin Hutchinson died after fire destroyed his home. We have more in this report.
Police yellow tape, fire trucks in operation, while friends and relatives cried openly. A tragedy was unfolding in Orange Hill, St. Anne. Kevin Hutchinson, a 34-year-old chef from the parish, was found dead at home after fire gutted his house. The blaze was reported around 4 a.m. Sunday and was responded to by units from the Brownstown Fire Station.
The fire was brought under control by the brigade and finally extinguished. The remains of what seems to be a human was observed in a section of the house.
We were told the victim was at home alone at the time of the blaze. The cause of the fire is still not clear. An estimate of the damage to the house is also not yet known. Residents are distraught by the death of the chef, who they say was well known in the community as well as in Brownstown, St. Anne, where his business place was based.
Good youth, them are dead out, you know, sir. Good youth, them are dead out of Orange Hill. You understand? I don't know. Right now, we need God intervention in Orange Hill. Right now. I don't find no fault with Kevin. I don't find no fault. And if you walk any around the district, you hear everyone talk about Kevin or Bulby. Bulby is a good youth. Bulby no trouble nobody. Bulby no trouble people.
We don't know who are going. You see me, I wonder if I evil take over the whole place in a Bridging. Bridging, I beg them man to just look up to God, Bridging, and try to turn in themselves to God, brother. Cause, you know, look good, Bridging. You know, because I don't know who are like a young youth, them just are dead also.
The fire department, in the meantime, is reminding people to practice fire safety, even as it promises to continue to sensitize the public about how to prevent fires.